Welcome for another vlog today. So, samahan nyo ako ngayon at makikita nyo yung nangyari sa mga nakaraang araw dahil hindi ako nakapag-upload. So, this is from January 31, nung Friday, last Friday. So, we did so many things and ayan. For dyan, naghanap kami ng mga need interviewin for our campus journalism subject.
Oh, nag-chat ang aking baby loves.
Chat niya.
Hi guys.
Hello. Mag-interview kami.
We're on the way to interview.
Ano mo na? Hi guys. Ano na? Okay. Kung paano mo? Hindi ako nakita.
Na
Saan yung interview?
Ayan, so at this part, naglalakad na kami sa loob ng campus namin, which is Santa Cruz Campus, Laguna State Polytechnic University. Wow, kompleto. Pero ayan, naghanap na kami ng mga need namin hanapin or i-checklist sa mga bagay na binigay sa aming activity ng aming teacher. So, yan na yung na-vlog ko nung Friday, but there are so many things that happened that day.
Hi everyone, it's me, your Bean Coffee here. And nakaayos na tayo. Naayos na natin ang ating hair and we're going to school. So, I think ang gagawin lang natin today sa school ay makikinig. And yeah, the duties of a president, I guess. And then, yun lang. So, samahan niyo na lang ako sa school.
Yan. So, at this part of the video, naglalaba ako ng umaga kasi 12 PM lagi schedule ng klase ko. Pero alam ko, 9 AM yung schedule ng Tuesday class ko. So, ayan, I was getting ready early after ko maglaba. Ayan, samahan niyo lang ako mag-put ng toner. Inayos ko pa yung cortina sa likod. And then, mga sunscreen lang nilagay ko kasi ang dami kong pimples that day.
Hi guys! Nag-ayos na ako ng hair and face para magpe-face mask ako kasi ang dami kong pimples kaya hindi mo na ako maglalagay ng makeup, sabi ni Mami. Naglagay na lang ako ng gamot. And yeah, punta na tayo sa school.
Tried to make it last, tried to make it work. Ignored all the signs, but we made it worse. You were number one in my top 10. Maybe that's why it took so long to end. One of a kind, girl, you broke the mold. Is love still lost if you let it go? Is it better just to lose or have none at all? You wanna learn to fly or to never fall. It wasn't meant to be. Hope I always stay more than a memory. Memory of what you used to be. It ain't no use to me, but I can't let it be. Can't just let go. I need a rest though. Feels like my heart got a repo. Stole a rug from right where my feet go. Put it on the top shelf and I can't reach those. Tried to make it last, tried to make it work. Ignored all the signs, but we made it worse. You were number one in my top 10. Maybe that's why it took so long to end. One of a kind, girl, you broke the mold. Is love still lost if you let it go? Is it better just to lose or have none at all? Do you wanna learn to fly or to never fall? Never fall.
Hi guys! It's been a long time. Naks ko long time. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-upload this past few days kasi hindi ako masyado nakapag-video. Pero may mga unti akong video which I upload ko mamaya pag nakita nyo to. And then, I've been having trouble with acne. Kaya medyo nahihiya na ako mag-video and vlog. So, gusto ko sana muna mapawala yung mga acne ko bago ako mag-vlog ulit. And then, pero ngayon, samahan niyo ako dahil we have a new motor! We have a new motor to use. Ibig sabihin, meron akong service ngayon na bago papakita ko sa inyo. So, magugulat kayo kung ano yun. Okay, so pula tayo sa school and samahan niyo ako dahil this is a college day in my life. Coffee.
Ayan, so, this is the part na paalis na tayo kaninang umaga para, kaninang tanghali kasi 12 p.m. naman yung klase ko na nagme-medyas lang ako and sapatos to go to school. Yan, nag-hi-hi pa siya. Kung nakunwari yan, sa kanya yung motor. Clickbait lang po, guys. Actually, that is my father's motorcycle. So, sa tatay ko po yung motor na yan. Ang daddy ko po ay nasa seminar today. So, hindi niya gagamitin yung motor kasi luluwas sila. So, ako man yung gagamit para maghatid sa nanay ko, para maghatid sa kapatid ko, at kumaon din sa kanilang dalaw. Ayan. For clickbait lang yan. Pagpo-post niya dyan sa Aerox niyang motor. Kasi tuwa siya kasi gagamit niya ng Aerox niya for service at school. Ayan. O, diba? Napaturo-turo pa siya ng ganun. Enjoy yan. Pero na-enjoy ko talaga mag-drive ng motor. So, yan lang guys. That's all for this vlog. And makita nyo mamaya na nililinis ko yung motor ngayong umaga. Ngayong umaga yan para sa vlog. Ayan yung motor ko, yung Mio na kulay yellow. Yan talaga yung motor ko. Yung una kong blinag na motor dati. Yung Mio na yellow. So that will be all for our vlog today.